Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Steam error code 106 in a quick and easy way so you can access friends and online features without any issues. This error usually appears when Steam cannot connect to its network properly. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. Restarting your router often fixes temporary network problems. Next, disable any VPN or proxy service because Steam may block connections from restricted or unusual locations. After that, try restarting Steam completely or reboot your computer to refresh background services. You should also check your firewall or antivirus settings and temporarily disable them to see if they're blocking Steam. If it works, add Steam as an exception. Another useful step is to flush your DNS. Open Command Prompt and type ipconfig/flushdns, then press Enter. Finally, make sure your Steam client is updated to the latest version available. After following these steps, error code 106 should be resolved and Steam should work normally again. Subscribe the channel for more videos.